Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josh Black, a senior concept artist, and I teach figure drawing and anatomy here on my YouTube channel. Plus, I sell my tutorials on Proco and Gumroad. I wanted to do a quick video announcing that Proco is doing a Black Friday sale from today all the way until the 4th of December, and all of their content, all of their tutorials, reference bundles, brush packs, all of it will be 20% off. So I just wanted to make you aware of that. Of course, that includes my tutorials as well. I have my anatomy toolkit plus my head painting tutorial, both of which are very comprehensive and include a ton of content. So if you haven't already, go check it out, and hopefully you can take advantage of that discount. All right. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, bye.